To set up the CyberScout dashboard, start by logging into your account using your unique credentials. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the dashboard section where you will find an overview of your current security status. The first step is to customize your dashboard by selecting the widgets that are most relevant to your needs. These widgets provide real-time information on various aspects of your security, including threat alerts, system updates, and user activity. Next, configure your notification settings to ensure you receive alerts and updates on potential security threats. This can be done by specifying the types of notifications you want to receive and the frequency at which you want to receive them. Another key feature of the CyberScout dashboard is the ability to monitor and manage user accounts. This includes adding new users, assigning roles and permissions, and tracking user activity. To get the most out of your CyberScout dashboard, it is essential to regularly review and update your settings. This includes staying up to date with the latest security patches and updates, as well as monitoring your system for any potential vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up and utilize your CyberScout dashboard to enhance your security posture and protect against potential threats. The dashboard provides a centralized platform for managing and monitoring your security, allowing you to respond quickly and effectively to any potential incidents. Overall, the CyberScout dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you stay ahead of potential security threats and protect your sensitive information. By taking the time to set it up and customize it to your needs, you can ensure you are getting the most out of this valuable resource.